Hi everyone and welcome back to Dev Portal. In this video we will explore non-static inner classes which have access to both static and non-static members of our outer class. So what is non-static inner class? A non-static inner class can access all members of outer class, both static and non-static. However, it require an instance of outer class to be created. Let me show you how we can do this. So I already created one class name as main. Inside this file I will create another class outer class, and inside this class I will create one class inner class, and inside this class I will create one method void display, and I will add sysout statement, and I will print inside non-static nested not inner class. Let me save. Now I will try to access this display method from main method. So for that I need to create instance of the outer class first. So outer class, I will give outer equal to new outer class. So my instance is created. Now what I will do, I will use outer class dot inner class, and this object will be inner equal to outer dot inner class. First let me add outer dot new and inner class. So inner class object is also created. Now let me call inner dot display. Let me save this code and run, and you can see it is printing inside non-static inner class. So in this example we first create an instance of outer class before creating an instance of an inner class. In our next video we will cover local classes and anonymous classes in final part of this series. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of the upcoming tutorials. Till then, happy coding.